Hi everyone, this is I am Ali. Today we are going to study about the law of supply. This is actually the extension of my previous lecture. If anyone who do not have saw my previous lecture, please watch it first to understand this lecture easily. And please, those who haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe it as I can be motivated to upload more videos on related to the economics. So what is law of supply? Law of supply is a law which show the direct positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. For example, if we have price of $10, the producer will sell at 500, for example 500 quantity supplied. As price increase from 10 to 20, the producer get incentive to sell more, so the producer will increase the quantity supply. So similarly, as the price is increasing, the supply from the producer is also increasing. So this exactly show the positive relationship. If we plot these figures on graph, we can see that there is a direct positive relationship between price and quantity supply. This direct positive relationship can be identified from this supply curve. So this was some basic all about the supply curve, but there are some most common shifter which shift our supply curve. For example, price of resources are the price of the inputs. For example, if we produce the ice cream, the resources would be the cream, milk, or the sugar. So if the price of those resources reduce, the supply curve will increase. It will shift from S1 to S3. And if the price of those resources increase, the supply will decrease because it will discourage the supply to produce less because of high input cost. Similarly, if number of producers increase, means new firms enter in the market, then the supply will increase, so the supply from S1 to shift to the S2 S3. And if the number of producer decrease, the supply will shift to the backward. Similarly, if the technology increase, the supply will shift to the rightward. And if technology, it's not possible to decrease, but for example, imagination that if the technology decrease, the supply will decrease backward. And taxes discourage the supply, so it will shift to the S2. And subsidies encourage the producer to supply more. So for subsidies, supply will shift from S1 to S3. For taxes, the supply will shift to the S1 to S2. Expectations, it's all about the future expectation. It's expectation that the our product will be sold more in future, then the supply will increase. If the expectation are decreasing, then the supply will reduce. So these are the shift factors other than price. If there is any relationship between price and quantity supplied, there will be shift along the curve. These are the factors other than prices. So this was all about the law of supply. My next lecture will be on the equilibrium and the shift factor of the equilibrium. So please subscribe my channel if you want to learn more about the economics. Thank you so much.